Box chains are chains made from empty juice boxes. They can be made indefinitely long, and making them is usually done as a leisure activity. But these chains of woven boxes can also be employed for their practical uses. Bracelet, cup holders, and decorations are examples of what can be fashioned from your empty juice boxes. Cut and remove the crown of the box, then cut the sides into small strips. Each of these represent a single link in the chain. Create as much as you deem necessary. Fold each strip in half, then fold each second half into the center of the strip. Begin connecting the links by looping them through each other. Continue doing so until the chain reaches your desired length. Feel free to use single or multiple colors to pattern your chain. You can make a loop with your chain by connecting the ends. For a seamless connection, both end links must be oriented in the same direction. Remove one link if this is not the case. From here on, you can adapt them in whatever way you might imagine. I decided to make a cup holder by utilizing the water-resistant base of the drinks box.